Hey everyone, Coach Investor back with another video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Unity. We're going to look at their earnings report, why the stock is down 15% since they reported earnings, why a lot of people are misunderstanding what Unity actually does. A lot of people only think they cater to the gaming community and the gaming world, but that's just wrong. I believe they could be the next Adobe. We're going to look at something very interesting in this video regarding Unity's software, where it could help marketing, advertising in the digital world, and why I believe this will grow and continue to grow in the future. I've covered Unity in depth in another video. It's going to pop up in the top right corner. But before I jump into this video, if you like this content, leave it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out grow the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, charts first. Alright, so as we can see here, the end of December, a top was reached at around $175. Earnings date, the stock is down 15%, leaving this big gap right here. Moving forward, I don't know exactly how long it will take for this stock to go back up. But again, I think this was an overreaction of the market after earnings. We're going to see why. It has something to do with Apple's new privacy policy and a reduction of 3% outlook for Unity, but we're going to look at that right now. Right, so Unity's fourth quarter 2020 financial highlights. So revenue was $220.3 million, an increase of 39% from the fourth quarter of 2019. That actually beat estimates by 16 million. 793 customers each generated more than $100,000 of revenue in the trailing 12 months as of December 31st, 2020, compared to 600 as of December 31st, 2019. Now for full year 2020, revenue was $772.4 million, an increase of 43%. The business highlights I'm going to talk in a bit, especially regarding the introduction of Forma. And now let's look at Unity's guidance for Q1 and 2021. So for revenue, we have guidance for Q1 between 210 and 220 million. The estimates are $214 million, and guidance for the whole of 2021 is between 950 and 970 million dollars. Estimates are $954.9 million. Now the real reason why guidance wasn't as high as people were expecting is because of this. We expect the arrival of Apple's iOS 14's privacy modification on IDFA will affect the way mobile game developers acquire customers and how they optimize lifetime customer value. Although it's difficult to estimate, our guidance assumes IDFA changes begin in the spring and will reduce our revenue by approximately $30 million or 3% of revenue in 2021. And that is one of the main reasons why the stock is down 15%, because of this change and because of this potential 3% reduction in revenue in 2021. I don't think it's going to be that big, but still it's better to have a big number at the beginning of the year and then exceed expectations by the end of it. The market will probably love that. Now, let's go and look at another aspect, something that I think a lot of people misunderstand what Unity is doing, not just for gaming, but they're doing much more for marketing, for design, for a lot of more companies outside the gaming world, which is Unity Forma. So what is Unity Forma? It makes it easy to create and publish marketing content and interactive experiences, including real-time 3D product configurators from 3D product data. This is one of the things that people misunderstand about Unity, is that this will help industries like real estate, car manufacturers, e-commerce, marketing in a way that you could not have imagined before. You can bring in 3D product data into Unity Forma and it looks super realistic, whether it's a chair or a car. They've actually done this with Volvo as well. So they cater so much more than just the gaming industry. Now, last thing is they acquired a company called RestAR, whose solution make it easy to scan and render physical customer products in high quality 3D using only a mobile device. Now, as you can see here on the picture, you only need a phone, you only need your product, in this case, a Nike sneaker, take a picture, and suddenly this becomes a 3D object and you can do whatever you want with it in your marketing campaign, in a movie, whatever you want to do with this. This is amazing, taking real life objects, putting that in the 3D world. In my opinion, moving forward, we've talked about this regarding Facebook, VR is going to be a huge market It's already beginning to get a lot more traction right now. We've seen that with the sales of the Oculus Quest, and Unity is for sure going to gain from that growth in that market. Alright, so to conclude, overall, I'm still very bullish on Unity. I think this company is still a bit misunderstood. Maybe the stock went up a bit too fast, but hey, the market nowadays is a bit crazy. Overall, I do think earnings were pretty good. Guidance was a bit, let's say, on the downside, but that is because they already anticipate this 3% reduction, which I think is a bit too high, but only time will tell what might happen. In the long run, I do believe Unity is going to be a Adobe type of company. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about Unity. Do you hold it? What do you think the future looks like for Unity? Leave it down in the comments below. That will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.